Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you an easy card teleportation trick. And this just involves your deck of cards, and you're gonna have a spectator select a card by telling you when to stop as you go through the deck like this. Let's say they stop you right there. Go ahead and look at that card, they remember it. And you take their card and just lose it somewhere in the deck of cards. Just cut it in, completely losing it somewhere in the middle. Okay, you can even give the deck a couple regular cuts. And with your magic teleporting skills, you can make their card vanish from the deck of cards and appear in the box. Did you see it go? Watch this, I can make it vanish from the box and appear back in the deck. Did you see it go that time? No? Pretty amazing though, right? Now watch this, I'll make it vanish from that deck and appear in that box. Now if you don't believe me, I can even spread out the cards and show you that their card has completely vanished from the deck, is no longer here because I magically made it teleport into the box that's been sitting here the whole time. Look at that, there is one card, the 6 of diamonds. Was that the card you picked? And that's easy card teleportation. Now, before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel if you're new here. I really appreciate it. And I'd like to give a shout out to all my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you are looking to support this channel by becoming a channel membership, you do that all through YouTube in the links below. And now a message from Not Teller.
I am not Teller, but I do want you to visit thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some great magic tricks and accessories to add to your collection. That's thebestmagicshop.com.
Okay, now for the tutorial. This is a pretty simple card trick. It does involve a card force, so you can use any force that you want, but you're gonna have to force a special card, and this is a double-faced card, which makes the trick a whole lot easier. If you don't have one of these, you can take 2 cards and glue them together and make a double face card like that. You can split the 2 cards, glue them together, if you know how to do that. Or you can purchase the 7 gaff card set from thebestmagicshop.com. A double face card comes in this along with 6 other gaff cards that you need, and tutorials for 15 other tricks that you can do with all these gaff cards. This is a pretty complete set of gaff cards that you really need to do a whole bunch of tricks. So this is really good. It's cheap. It's got cheap shipping on it too, so it's really easy to get. And I highly recommend getting one of these sets so you can do a lot of tricks with these gaff cards. And these are all printed by the US Playing Card Company, so they're regular cards that are printed by the same cards manufacturing company that prints these cards too. Okay, so you're gonna need a double face card for this. Get your double face card and then remove the 2 cards that are on the double face card. So in this case, I'm going to use the 6 of diamonds, and I'm not going to use the 5 of clubs. The 5 of clubs is just going to be the other card to appear in the deck. So I'm going to remove both these cards from the deck, and then the one I'm going to force, the 6 of diamonds, I'm just going to place in the box and keep it in view the whole trick. Now, take your double face card, and then now your remaining regular deck of cards, and I forced it using the Hindu shuffle. So I have the double face card on the bottom, and if you're careful, you can shuffle these cards, do a riffle shuffle, but shuffle, you have to shuffle. You can't just shuffle one card like that because you'll see the double face card. So you have to shuffle a few cards first, and then you can shuffle and just be careful not revealing the other side of the double face card. So I have my regular deck, my force card on the bottom. I'm ready to do the trick. Now I did a Hindu shuffle force, but before I did it, I also took cards from the center and just did a regular Hindu shuffle. And then when I went to go force the card, I did the Hindu shuffle, which is just taking cards off the top, dropping them in your hand, and repeating this move. And I'm just going back and forth with, this is my right hand, this is my left hand, and just dropping cards. And I say, as I'm going through the cards like this, just tell me when to stop. And I'm just taking cards off the top, maintaining that bottom card. So it's the bottom card over and over again. This is the Hindu shuffle force. I have a video tutorial on this one as well. And then when they tell you to stop, you stop, and then peel off the double face card, face up, place it on the table. Don't let the spectator look at this card because they'll see that it's double face. Now, place the double face card with the force card on the top of the face up deck. Maintain a break on this card, okay, with your thumb, and then you're just cutting some of the cards from the bottom and turning them over and this is just kind of an easy turnover move. Cut some more cards. You're maintaining that break, so the double face card is on the bottom of this top stack. Cut over, and then cut, when you do it like the third or last time, cut at the break, and then turn these cards over, and that'll get your double face card on the bottom, but the card will be face up with the cards, all face down, okay? And then if you just do a regular cut, you can cut, or, cut 3 times. You just cut it right in the middle of the deck. Then when you spread the cards out face up, their card is gone because of that double face card. But if you spread them out face down, their card is face up now. So you want to make sure that you don't, show that card. So let me show you how to get the card turned over one more time. The force card face up on top of the face up deck. Keep a break there with your thumb, and then you're just cutting, turning over, square them up, maintain that break, cut, square up, maintain that break, and then the final cut, you cut, turn over at the break, and so the double face card is now on the bottom, and then if you just cut the cards, that'll put that double face card in the middle. So when you turn the cards over, spread them out face up, it looks like that card has vanished now from the deck. Okay, this is the double face card right here. They don't see the 6 of diamonds anymore because it's gone. We removed it from the deck earlier. Okay, this is that double face card, don't show that. And then you just go in the box and boom, there's their card, and obviously you forced it, and you as the magician would know that, but the spectator doesn't know that, okay? So that's easy card teleportation, and it's simple to do. You just need that double face card, and I hope you enjoy, and until next time.